Guys, there's been a lot of controversy with this rear drive shaft in the Limitless and Infraction. As you guys can see, we have a full Markhor RC design carbon kit installed, as well as Supa HD 8mm drive shafts. This has been something a lot of people have been wanting to see. So pretty much with this drive shaft, you could see the different in coloration. It's flexing right smack in the middle. Now here is the rear chassis brace, and you could see there's wear. You can see how it's scuffed up. Obviously that's not stock, you know. The little curvature in there, there's nothing wrong with the front one because it's, you know, not as long. You can see there's no wear indication. On here, you can see the coloration change. To fit these big, beefy 8mm drive shafts, you're going to need the bigger, well, it's not bigger, but pretty much there's a larger hole or cutout area so that the drive shaft could actually fit into. So we're going to be testing it. We're going to see how consistent it sounds at speed. So let's talk about this carbon rear wing first. For one, it is 3mm. It is really, really thick. You know, it's real good stuff. There are a bunch of holes you guys can see there. So yes, it is adjustable. Obviously, I took out the rear screws just so you guys could see the adjustability of it. If you're doing drag race, or let's say just some kind of track running or on-road bashing where you do want more traction to the rear wheels, pretty much you're going to want it up just like that. So when the air hits it, it's going to push down on the rear, giving you more downforce and traction. Well, more downforce, which gives you traction. Top speed, what I will be doing is going to be flat down so air could easily pass over. Now I really, really like this wing, basically for the simplicity of it, that you can adjust it really any way that you want to. Yeah, it's not active. You can't really beat this, not that I know of, not as of now. I just love the design of it. Definitely checked out Amped RC. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description if you guys want to check it out. Here we go, guys, we're all zeroed out. This is the first time I'm ever running anything that you just saw. All the upgrades. We also have the wing in the flat position for speed runs. So let's see what we can do. Markhor Amped RC setup. Woo! Pretty consistent. Let's see what the GPS says. 133. Guys, that was the first run here. Man, that was awesome. If you guys can see that. All right. That actually sounded clean the whole way, because if I remember, around that point, I'm at about 100 or so miles an hour. And if you remember what the sound is, you know, it kind of makes a vibration noise. But no, guys, this stuff works great. I am more than psyched. Normally, I don't get anything more than 130, but this was my warm-up run. Realistically. So consistency matters. That is awesome. I'll leave a description and a link below if you want to check the comment section or the video description. I don't know, but you'll see a link below in this video to check it out. You guys did a great job over at Amped RC, Markhor RC, Supa HD. Good job.